First, let's gently pry off this old horseshoe. A quick scrape followed by a good scrub to clear away the debris. Now with the knife, we carefully trim the frog and clean the grooves. Watch these layers peel away. We are removing the dead, waxy sole to reveal the fresh hoof underneath. Just tidying up the details. It is so satisfying to see that clean surface emerge. Time for the nippers. We clip around the wall to shorten the length. Listen to that crunch. Almost done with the trimming. Finally, the rasp. We file it down to make it perfectly flat and smooth, beautiful.